Hi chefs, welcome back to ClosKitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. Today I will be reviewing and giving you guys a demonstration on how to use this beautiful nostalgia My Mini Heart Waffle Maker. It does come in different colors, but I wanted the red one. So let's unbox it and see what comes in the box. So first we have a brochure with safety instructions, how to use it. It also has a 1-year warranty, which is good. It also has cleaning and maintenance instructions. And the maintenance is super easy. And it has recipes. I love that they have a few recipes in the brochure to help someone that has never made waffles before, and it is very budget friendly for less than 10 bucks. So guys, this is My Mini Heart Waffle Maker by Nostalgia. It is very small, so it wouldn't take much space in your cabinets. The indicator at the top lets you know when the waffle maker is ready for you to add your waffle mix. So when the light is off, it is hot and ready. Although it is small, it is not safe for kids to use, but your kids can assist with decorating the waffles. Now on the inside, there are two heart-shaped cooking surfaces, one on the upper part of the waffle maker and one on the lower part of the waffle maker. It has this large back support, which also prevents it from touching your countertops. It also has two front supports to keep it off the counter, but also it has a rubber material on each to prevent it from sliding off of your counter. You definitely don't want it sliding whilst it's hot. So let's make some heart-shaped waffles to show you guys how much I love you.
Boy, if you don't...
So I'm going to use my Kodiak cake power cakes to make my waffle mix. One thing I did forget to tell you guys is that I did clean my waffle maker with a damp cloth with soap and water. I'm adding my 2 ingredients into a measuring cup, which will make it easier to pour my waffle mix. So in the future, I think it would be fun to try some of the recipes that came with the waffle maker to make some waffles from scratch. But today I just wanted to show you guys real quick how to use this little mini waffle maker. One thing that I did forget to do before I started mixing my ingredient is preheating my waffle maker so that it can be ready when I'm done mixing the waffle. So now I'm preheating my waffle maker. The light is red right now, so I'm just waiting for the light to go off. So the light is off, that means that it is ready. So I'm going to pour and fill that heart with love. But for real, I do love all of you guys, my supporters, my subscribers, my viewers. I love all of you. I'm making sure not to pour too much so that it doesn't run over on the sides. Once it's settled, I'm going to close the waffle maker and wait for that red light to go off. Let me know in the comments below if you do have one of these hot waffle maker and what do you think of it? Do you like it? And just like that, it's ready, but I want mine to be a little more brown. So I'm just going to cook it a little bit longer. So let's see what we got. Yes, nice and fluffy. Check out the waffle, y'all. Although it's small, it is thick. So I'm going to continue with the remainder of my waffle mix. If you look closely, you could see it rising. And you know it's going to be a fluffy waffle. So with this one, I wanted to show you guys what happens when you put too much mix into the waffle maker. So guys, as you can see, it is dripping to the front of the waffle maker, so I'm going to quickly clean it up before it dries. One thing I want to mention is that you need mittens to hold the handle because it is hot. I learned the hard way. Since I had a spatula on hand, I just decided to use it to open the waffle maker. But don't come for me, I do have mittens. My overall thought is that it is a great budget-friendly waffle maker. Now that I'm done, I'm going to drizzle some pancake syrup all over my waffles. Let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite pancake syrup? So I always try to fill all the holes for the waffles with my syrup. I usually add fruits on top like strawberries or blueberries, but I didn't have any today to decorate it, but it's still going to be good. And I'm also lightly sprinkling some powdered sugar. Let me know in the comments below if you use powdered sugar on your waffles. When it comes to waffles, there are endless toppings. I've seen people use whipped cream, butter. Man, my mouth is watering. I am ready to eat. So I'm going to give you a close-up. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.